To start off with, I painted this arch over one of my eyes using a 3/4 inch angled brush, and then I followed the same line underneath the opposite eye. I then painted a red love heart in the centre of the design. You could also use a heart stencil if you have one. Using a white face paint and a low Cornell round number 4 brush, I added swirls and teardrops to the design. I added some red love hearts to the end of the design, and I also outlined the hearts with black. I then added dots and starbursts all around the design as well. There you go guys, this is the finished look. It's super quick and easy, and it's not just for Valentine's Day. You could do this for any kids party or festival. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of thing, and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.